this is the start of ripping the engine out of this thing. Bottom rod bearing is going, so I'm going to save the problem before it creates even more. So I'm going to drain all the fluids, try to rip the engine out without taking most of the plastics off. And I probably should have done this. If I can get my hand in there without taking off a finger.
It's hot.
Alright. Take the radiator cap, put it in somewhere you think you know.
Hopeful.
And it should be out of coolant.
One piece.
Okay, so right now we're taking the gas tank off.
Trying to.
Yeah. We got all the motor mount bolts undone. Can't really see it, but we also got the triple clamp right there off, the bottom clamp. Got the swing arm undone. And yeah. It's pretty, yeah, like that clamp right there is done. That bolt's out, bottom one's out, swing arm's off. I have the carb disconnected. Hopefully I can take the engine out with the carb still attached, hopefully. But in due time it'll tell. Alright, well this is the reason as to why I took the engine out of the bike and why. Yep. Try to focus on it. It's got a lot of side-to-side play, which it shouldn't have. It should only should only have so much side-to-side play. But that up and down play is not good whatsoever. And cylinder was okay. I got a piston in it right now. Cylinder seems fine. I could probably run it again, get another season out of it. But that's it right there. Pretty much all she wrote at this point. Now it's time to start cracking the bottom end off and looking at it. Alright, so right now we're getting to the part where we're about to crack the case. We're basically just doing everything the way a shop would do it. He's trying to take the sprocket off right now, which that ring right there is actually shot, so we're gonna get a new one of those as soon as I do rebuild this thing. Flywheel puller, one of the best things you can have in a situation such as mine, where you don't.
Oh God.
Where you don't have, well, you would have an impact driver, which is what you need when you're getting the stator and all that stuff out, because there's bolts like these guys that they can be a real pain when you don't know what you're doing. If you don't know what an impact driver does, look it up, because I don't feel like telling the whole story behind these things. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. And I'll get to you guys when we crack this thing.
Oh yeah, that's fantastic.
Okay, so the cases are apart. This is the stator side case. Just been trying to clean it off, but for now I'm just gonna rip the seals out of it. The bearing is still in, so yeah, I'm just gonna rip that shit out. Transmission side over here. That bearing came out or whatever. Needless to say, new bearings, new what the hell do you want to call them? New bearings, new crankshaft, new top end. She's getting rebuilt. There she is. Yeah, then mash the end with a old steel hammer. Yeah, so she's pretty mushroomed. I had no choice. Rubber mount wasn't doing anything, so yeah. Where is it? Look at how miscolored that is. Look at how hot it got. It got so hot that that actually darkened from that. So, yeah. She was steaming. Steaming up in there. So needless to say, getting a new crank.